Oil's drained. Transfer box drained. Rear diff drained. Sitting high. Hi Glenn, so we have the TDI on the lift here. So to date we have replaced the diff oil, the gearbox oil, the transfer case oil, the engine oil and the rear diff oil. We have also replaced the seals on the knuckle, obviously both sides. That is an internal seal, and then this main seal. We've replaced the discs, we've replaced the bearing. We still need to put in the brake pad, but that's quick. On the rear, the discs that were supplied were actually the wrong discs, so we need to exchange those. We've replaced these anti-roll bar ball joints. We've replaced this main ball joint on the A-frame at the back. All the old discs are here. We have the rubbers. Here's a bunch of the old parts. We've done the engine service, so engine oil, all of that, air filter, oil filter, the valve cover seal. Here's all the old ball joints and seals and goodies. So we're close on this car. We just need to get those other discs, because they gave us the wrong discs, and get that changed out. I've also collected all the bits from powder coating, so the front bull bar, the sliding drawers, the rock sliders, the rear spare wheel carrier, and all the other bits, all the little bits, they all here. The gas bottle carriers, the high lift jack. We've zinc plated the tow bar, and that's the front and rear tow bar, and some of the pins and all those goodies that has been done. But we have other parts also at the powder coaters and zinc platers that are getting finished up. The roof rack is there. I couldn't bring it back because it's too big, so I need to take my trailer to go and fetch that.